Oh, thank God!
When disaster strikes, silent heroes are always present. Join us as we witness the sacrifice, courage, and teamwork of firefighters and police officers,
The dad out of there!
bringing hope and saving lives in the most dangerous situations.
Who's in there?
On January 25, 2015, a dramatic rescue unfolded at a home in Fresno, California.
Possible kid inside, guys. A kid inside. 3 kids in the back.
A house on Church Avenue caught fire, filling with smoke just minutes before noon. When firefighters arrived, a desperate mother tried to describe the location of her 3 children trapped inside. Despite limited visibility due to the thick smoke, the fire crew managed to locate and successfully rescue the children.
I got a kid.
They were immediately transported to the hospital for treatment. The cause of the fire was determined to be an electrical short circuit.
One more. Hey, Joe, the ambulance.
We gotta get the dad out of there! Oh, thank God! Oh, thank God!
Fresno, the Wells family's home near McLean High School, caught fire at 8:40 a.m.
Dad is in the house. I called 911. This puppy! Oh my God! Big Dad! We gotta get the dad out of there! Oh, thank God! Oh, thank God!
The entire family managed to escape, only to realize that 70-year-old Robert Wells was still trapped inside. Amid the crowd gathered around the burning house, a passerby, later identified as Thomas Arteaga, bravely rushed in and rescued the elderly man from the flames engulfing the home. The Wells family unfortunately lost their house. They were incredibly fortunate that no one was injured in the blaze. On October 3rd, 2023, a woman was rescued by New York police after getting trapped beneath a pier in Brooklyn.
I'm gonna grab you, all right? They're getting closer. Just hold on to me, okay?
Wait, I can...
Yeah. No, she's not in the water. She's on the beam.
On the beam right there.
Okay.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Officers quickly responded to a report of a 20-year-old woman stuck at the edge of the Red Hook Pier around 7 a.m. Using a boat, they safely brought her back to shore, and fortunately, she was unharmed.
Stay where you go. We got you. All right. Watch your head.
However, the reason why she became trapped remains a mystery. A fire broke out in an apartment building in Russia, sending thick smoke billowing through all floors and leaving many residents trapped. Firefighters quickly arrived at the scene, entering the building to reach the victims. Amidst the flames and dense smoke, they first rescued a man suffering from smoke inhalation, then continued to save an elderly woman trapped in a high-floor apartment. After relentless efforts, all residents were brought to safety. The man who inhaled smoke received medical attention on site, and fortunately no casualties were reported. On January 16th, 2025, Sydney firefighters rescued 3 people and a dog from a fire at an apartment.
Good. Give me the line. There's a window.
The blaze, caused by an electric scooter charging in a second-floor unit on Arcadia Street, spread to the apartment above. Around 40 firefighters responded to the scene, rescuing residents trapped in both apartments. Before the fire could spread further, they safely brought a woman and her dog out of the burning unit, followed by 2 other residents from the upper apartment.
Slide that. Can you slide that up to here? 43's crew's going up to the top floor to get all clears on the top.
The fire completely destroyed the unit, but fortunately no injuries were reported. A fire broke out in an apartment building in Carlisle, Pennsylvania on February 22nd, 2025. A 3-alarm fire report at 8 p.m. prompted emergency fire units to respond to Veterans Way. Upon arrival, firefighters were met with intense flames tearing through the building's roof. They utilized aerial ladders to combat the blaze from above. Residents were swiftly evacuated and taken to a shelter provided by the Red Cross.
4-1 ready to come in. I got fire shouting.
Fortunately, no injuries were reported.
I'm at the Delta.
On February 17th, 2025, a truck caught fire while traveling on Highway 400 and 1 in Crammy Township. The fire was believed to have started from a rear tire, prompting Cramhay's emergency fire crews to rush to the scene. Fortunately, the driver was unharmed, and the fire did not spread along the highway. However, the incident forced the closure of the westbound lanes for several hours as firefighters worked to extinguish the smoke and ensure safety for other vehicles. A truck fire on the E47 highway in Bars, Denmark on October 14, 2022, brought traffic to a standstill for hours. The blaze erupted fiercely from a truck carrying 4 vehicles, quickly engulfing the entire cargo as it traveled between Tapernoge and Bars. Fortunately, no casualties were reported. Firefighters promptly arrived at the scene and successfully contained the fire. However, the firefighting and cleanup efforts took time, forcing the highway to close for 2 hours and causing significant disruption to local traffic. On March 25, 2018, a bus unexpectedly caught fire at Central Station in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The blaze erupted fiercely from the back of the vehicle, with thick black smoke quickly enveloping the surrounding area. Firefighters promptly arrived at the scene, deploying hoses and professional firefighting measures. Thanks to their quick response, the fire was contained before it could spread further, significantly minimizing damage. Fortunately, no casualties were reported in the incident. The Great American Antique Store, located on 19th Street in downtown Bakersfield, California, was engulfed in flames at 11 p.m. on June 4th, 2024. The intense fire which erupted from the roof prompted the support of multiple fire units, and the cause of the blaze is still under investigation. A wildfire broke out at El Dorado Park on September 5, 2020 in San Bernardino County, California, and the initial cause was determined to be a smoke-generating fireworks device used during a gender reveal party. The fire quickly spread, burning over 2,800 acres of forest and threatening residential areas, forcing the evacuation of more than 20,000 people. Over 500 personnel, 60 vehicles, and 4 helicopters were mobilized to fight the blaze. However, the dry, hot conditions and strong winds added to the difficulty of extinguishing the fire.
See your license, registration, insurance? How's your license? You're good. Get out of here. Truck's on fire, drivers inside.
Truck's on fire, drivers inside.
On March 2nd, 2020, on Interstate 287 in Bridgewater Township, a tractor-trailer lost control, crashed into a barrier, and caught fire. 2 police officers managed to pull the unconscious driver from the vehicle, just seconds before it exploded.
Go, go, go! You all right? All right, are you all right? Here, fuel tank's going. We got to get back. All right, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Thanks to the courage and quick decision-making of both officers, a man was taken to the hospital for a checkup and was fortunate to only suffer minor injuries. Leave a heart if you think this was an incredibly dramatic situation. At 6 p.m. on August 8, 2014, the Exxon gas station in Makhachkala, Dagestan, Russia, experienced a terrifying explosion when gas leaked at the station.
Может, просто вытрет.
The gas station exploded, injuring 4 people, who are quickly provided with medical assistance. On February 9th, 2023, a devastating gas explosion occurred at a 5-story residential building in Novosibirsk, Russia.
Ебать!
The explosion destroyed 30 apartments, claimed the lives of 12 people, and left an unimaginable sorrow for the victims' families. Firefighters quickly arrived at the scene, and an investigation is still ongoing. Suspicions that negligence in gas system maintenance may have been the primary cause of this tragedy. A frightening incident occurred in Houston, Texas, when a massive fire broke out at the Cornerstone Village Apartments early Monday morning at around 1:00 amid the chaos. A woman and her 3 young children were safely rescued.
Help me, please. Are you sure?
Go. Is there anybody else over there?
No. How did I wake up?
They were brought down from a second-floor window using a fire ladder. The fire started in the 9th building of the complex and quickly spread, prompting firefighters to escalate the response to a 3-alarm fire. The cause of the fire has not yet been disclosed. Did these moments make your day more meaningful? Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to join us in following more inspiring stories. See you in the next videos.